Hey friends, if you wish to create a new partition on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So open the File Explorer menu and go to this PC. You'll notice that I have one drive here and it's quite a huge one and most of the space is unallocated. Now I can divide partition from this one and add another drive. Like I have the C drive, I can add a D drive or an E drive or an F drive. It's easy. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command diskmgmt.msc and hit enter to open the disk management window. Now we have a lot of options here. One is the healthy one is the healthy recovery partition and a lot more, but one is the C drive. So go to the C drive and go to any drive. Like if you had to partition D drive, go to the D drive. In my case, I just have the C drive. Right click on it and select shrink volume. It will need a few seconds, and if you have a slower computer then it will need a few minutes to open it, and then it will mention the available space. Now let's say that I need another partition in the sense of D drive, and let's say it needs to be 10 GB. So I need to mention the space in MB. I will mention it as 10,000 MB because 1 gigabyte is 1024 MB, and if I say 10,000 MB, it's almost 10 GB, a little less than that. Click on shrink. Now when we click on shrink, does it create a new drive? No, it doesn't create a new drive, but it gives us some unallocated space. And what does it mean by unallocated space? It means that this space is neither a drive, it is nothing, it is just free space, and I can use this to create a drive. So right click on it and click on new simple volume, and now click on next and then leave it as it is because we need to use the same space. Then assign the following drive letter. Now I will keep it as D. A is reserved for floppy drives, I cannot use it. B is reserved, I'll use D, although I can use A these days because floppy drives are not used, but I'll keep it as D. So I need D drive. Now click on next. Make sure that the file system is NTFS, new transfer file system. So it needs to be NTFS, not anything else, and make sure that this is checked. Perform a quick format. Click on next, and the second you click on finish, a new drive will be created. And let us check this in this PC. Yes, a new drive has been created and it's 9.73 GB. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel because we really need subscribers. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.